Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 INFINITI QX60. This one's blue. Under the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 295 horsepower and 270 pounds of torque. This one is all-wheel drive. Has 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Beige interior. Sunroof. Coming around back here, we've got our QX60 badging, power liftgate, fresh set of floor mats. This one also comes with a third row seating that folds down. Coming around back here, we've got rear climate controls, a USB port, a keyless entry, heated mirrors, power windows, memory seats, power seats. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, heated steering wheel, push start ignition, navigation, a surround view backup camera, climate controls, our radio, automatic transmission. This vehicle has 48,879 miles, service records and Carfax available. If you'd like to view more photos of this INFINITI, check out feldmanimports.com.